What's up, everybody? Derek Anderson, the DA. Yo, so here we go, right? Here we go with this situation right here with Black Girl Gamers, man. Gamergate 2.0 is fun. All right, this thing is more fun than the last time. Last time was a lot of angst and anger and frustration and everybody snapping and biting at each other. Not a lot of fun, okay? This time, man, this is great, man. This is a lot of fun. I'm enjoying myself, all right? Black Girl Gamers are now coming after our homies over there at That Park Place, you know, John F. Trent specifically, because he's the one that wrote the article that they're referencing in this Twitter post where they're saying we're addressing the recent allegations published on thatparkplace.com about discriminatory hiring practices within Black Girl Gamers. These claims are false and were made without prior fact-checking or verification from us and our representatives. And then basically it goes on talking about their company, blah, 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 blah. Says here, upon discovering these false and defamatory allegations, we have taken steps to obtain legal counsel to take action against the publication and journalists, as well as subsequent content creators who have reshared the false allegations about our organization. So they're not just going after That Park Place. I guess they're going after anybody that's disgusted, anybody that's sharing the information out there and saying, yo, Black Girl Gamers, you know, they're basically doing some sort of discriminatory hiring practices within their organization and within their business. Now, That Park Place has responded. This is the article that John F. Trent wrote today. Forspoken consultant Black Girl Gamers threatens legal action against That Park Place and claims they are committed to diversity and inclusion, including our non-discriminatory hiring practices. All right, so this is what's interesting about this. So John is quoting basically from this particular, he's highlighting this particular tweet that is from Black Girl Gamers, okay? This is the screenshot, February 19, 2024, all right? Let's check this out. Looking for Black women content creators that make Dungeons and Dragons D&D content for some potential brand work, hit us up. All right. So this was the tweet that they put out on their Twitter page. All right. And now let's break this down. Okay. They're seeking. All right. And they give us what? Race and gender. All right. This is what they're giving us. Race and gender. And then the skill set, right? And then, you know, content for potential work, all right? For some work, hit us up. So they're designated. Is anybody allowed to, you know, come at this job, you know, say, hey, you know, what if you're a white male, you know? Well, they're not looking for you, okay? They're not looking for white males. What if you're a Black man? Nope, not looking for a Black man. What if you're an Asian woman? Nope, not an Asian woman, okay? It's not open to anybody and everybody. It's specifying Black and women. That's who they want to apply for this potential work for a job. Hit us up. Now, I mean, am I crazy? Am I not reading this correctly? Am I not seeing that it looks like you are trying to specify specific types of people, okay? Not just the content creators that make Dungeons and Dragons content, okay? That's your skill set. All right, that's your skills. That's the skill that you have. All right, but I mean, in capital letters here, Black women. I mean, all right, look, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the old switcheroo game. You know how the switcheroo game works, right? Okay, we take the race and the gender and we switch them around, okay? And we try to see if this statement sounds problematic then, all right? Because some people don't simply understand how throwing race and gender in a statement like this can be extraordinarily problematic. So let's just switch it around so maybe you can understand it a little bit better, Black Girl Gamers, all right? Somebody else posted this, all right? It wouldn't be Black Girl Gamers, obviously, but somebody, let's say some other development or some other consultancy group posted this up on Twitter. Looking for white male or white men content creators, all right, that make Dungeons and Dragons D&D content for some potential brand work, hit us up. Do y'all see it now? Okay. It sounds different when you throw white and male in there. I understand, but it's the exact same thing. Okay. There is literally no difference. All right. Throw a different race in there. It doesn't make any difference, okay? You could throw Asian male, okay? Latino woman. It doesn't matter what you're throwing in this mix, okay? This reads like some sort of a job description. I'm not saying it is a job description, but it certainly reads like this is the qualifications that we're looking for. All right, this is what is going to qualify you for this job. And yeah, from the very surface of it, You know, like maybe anybody can apply and you're just trying to strike out there. But on the surface, this sounds extraordinarily like this is who we are looking to hire. All right. Sounds extraordinarily discriminatory. We are looking to hire black women. That's who we are trying to get in the door. Okay. Otherwise, you would just say looking for content creators and that's that. You wouldn't throw this descriptor in here about this. So, I mean, it's just like, come on. Like, why are we doing this, okay? This is 2024. You guys are supposed to be a business. You're grown-ups, okay? Business is for grown-ups. And then now they're trying to take folks to law. I mean, it's just absolutely crazy. And then we later down the line, we got Grummz. Okay, Grummz is always chiming in and dropping knowledge on these cats. He says here, BGG, I'll just read it from here. BGG goes on to state that evidence of their non-discriminatory hiring practices is readily available and easily searchable. So I did some searches for BGG and hiring policy or consultant and was not able to find anything. In fact, the website has no published hiring policy that I could find. In fact, job posting listings are password protected and require that you first reach out to BGG to obtain access. This does not seem easily searchable. Yeah. You know, calling these clowns out, but it's just too funny, man. Everything that's going on. BGG's own website claims to be 100% minority operated. I've seen minority owned, but what does minority operated mean? Well, it means exactly what it sounds like. This is operated by folks that are quote unquote minorities or underrepresented groups or whatever. It is unclear if they mean 100% of management or 100% of all staff. The 100% minority operated claim, the sealed job board, and the lack of a hiring policy on the website seem to contradict their claims of their hiring practices being readily available and easily searchable. Then Grummz went on to share an application form on the company's website. And it says, do you identify as a woman or non-binary person? By selecting yes, you acknowledge that BGG does not permit self-identifying men to join our private community groups. I mean, yo, this don't sound very open. This doesn't sound very honest. Like, oh, we just welcome everybody, okay? We just one big happy family. Oh, no. I mean, the name of the company sounds like, you know, it sounds like, hey, we just aligned here. Which, again, I don't really necessarily have a problem with that. If that's what you're going to do, say it. Be proud about it. Yo, we discriminate. We want black girls up in here. This is a black girls club, and this is basically what it is. You know, we running it like a business, but, you know, we locking it all off. I don't mind when people show like their overt racism. Like, I'm like a cat like that. Show me who you are. Then I know not to deal with you, okay? I don't want you hiding that shit in the closet somewhere, okay? Yo, show me exactly what you're about. Show me this is the focus of it. We are about race. We are about gender. This is what we are about. And that's that, all right? I have no problem with it, you know? And I want to like say a shout out to somebody that, you know, they were responding to the video that I made in regards to the Mandela Stenberg chick, okay? You know, saying that black nerds are finally safe, you know, with Acolyte, okay? The Acolyte is making black nerds safe. And then somebody had posted a comment and saying, yo, before all of this, there was just nerds. There wasn't black nerds. There wasn't white nerds. There wasn't anything, just nerds. And I'm like, shout out to that person because that's really what it's all about. These clowns with black girl gamers and everything, they want to discriminate, okay? They want their own little private little groups and everything. And yeah, you cannot join if you self-identify as a man. This is what they're looking to do, okay? And that's like the kind of division that's happening with these, you know, new cats in the game, all right? Back in the day, like they said, we was just all nerds. I was part of a D&D group, okay? I played D&D at school. I was the only black kid in there, but I didn't feel any less like isolated. I didn't feel like I was by myself or whatever. Actually, it was a second kid in there. He was black and Vietnamese. But you know what I'm saying, right? Like it was just nerds hanging out. And we didn't look at race or anything. We was just having fun playing D&D. That was it. Okay? That was it. That was all. And was the majority of them cats white? I think it was like a couple of Latino cats, mostly white guys. But we didn't look at it like, yo, we're a mixed, multicultural, racial, blah, blah, blah. Okay? We were just nerds hanging out, having a good time playing D&D. That was it. That was all. So to me, like all of this stuff right here, this is definitely showing that they have, at least in my view, all right, and I could be wrong. They can try to sue me if they want to. But in my view, they have a definite discriminatory lens, all right, when it comes to who they bringing in, the name of the group, who they hire, okay? It's clear that when you go back up to this not quite job posting, but basically who they're looking for, all right, they're very clearly telling you who they're looking for. And it's not open to everybody. They're not looking for everybody. They're looking for specific individuals that fit a specific race and a specific gender. All right. So yeah, coming at that Park Place, look, y'all are out of y'all minds, okay? I'm not sure if this is the person, this I guess is the founder, was it Jayan Lopez or something like that? Yeah, it's absolutely ridiculous. I don't think that this is going to go very far. They're getting blown up all over the place in Twitter right now. Everybody's just kind of pointing and laughing at them. And yo, somebody just shared this with me, okay? This is hilarious. As a former Black Girls Gamer member, I can confidently say these people are full of crap. They do not care about diversity. They promptly kicked me out for being anti-Black, aka not making an idol out of my skin color and refusing to hate white people. Yo, I mean, this literally just came to me like about 5 minutes ago. Somebody just shot this over to me. Vanessa Gothix goes on. I was harassed for months after the fact and received an onslaught of vitriol from many of their Black members. You know how BGG responded? They blocked me and literally scrubbed my existence off their platforms. By the way, most of the vitriol I received from many of their members made it into the final cut of the Gothix documentary, gothixfilm.com. So if they want to talk about receipts, boo-boo, I have them. Let me be clear, I have no ill will towards these people, and I'm always praying that Jayan and her crew will eventually have their wake-up moment just like I did. Maybe this is it. Yeah, it's a sister, right? It's a sister. It's a Black girl. It's not somebody that's not Black, all right? Saying all of this stuff. Look. This is who these people are, okay? This is who these people are. And when somebody tells you who they are, believe them, all right? I've always believed that. When they show you right off rip, oh, this is who we are. This is how we get down. This is what we rock with. This is how we believe. Okay. I mean, this is a person that has had some experience with these cats. And she's saying, yeah, this is who they are. This is what they believe. This is how they get down. I mean, it's obvious. But, yeah, let's take these cats to the law, okay? Let's take these cats over here. Let's take, that Park Place and the cats. Let's take these cats to the law. Because, our feelings are hurt because they called us out for the bullshit that we're doing. It's absolutely ridiculous, man. But I mean, again, this is just the kind of the way things are going right now, 2024. Hey, man, Gamergate 2.0 is way better, okay, in my opinion. Way better than the last time, all right? This is more fun, all right? And you're just starting to see more and more of these clowns getting exposed. They thought that they was going to expose us. I got the video coming up about the quote-unquote purge in a little bit. They thought they was going to expose the gamers and the cats on this side. They exposing themselves for who they are, okay? All of this DEI stuff, I'm telling you guys, and I've said this in previous videos, this DEI shit, it is starting to dry up, okay? Because it's always been nothing but racism, all right? And people are fed up, So, yeah, sit back, revel, and enjoy in the demise of DEI. I'm absolutely loving it. But you guys let me know what you think about this entire situation. Jump down in the comments. Give me your thoughts and opinions on that. And thanks for watching. See you next time.